Sustainability. You hear that word a lot these days. But what does it mean? Well, it does mean that, and that. But it means a whole lot more. Sustainability impacts us environmentally, socially, and economically. At Merck Animal Health, sustainability means keeping animals healthy with innovative products and technologies that reduce the demand on resources and allow animals to live their lives in the most healthy way possible. Being sustainable isn't new to us. It's who we are. It's how we operate and will continue to operate. We believe in sustaining our communities. It's why employees get 40 paid hours to volunteer every year and give back. We believe in sustaining the veterinary profession. It's why we sponsor veterinary well-being studies and programs to make sure veterinarians stay healthy and fulfilled, and why we sponsor programs to ensure that our future leaders have the best resources to succeed. We believe in sustaining our natural resources. We're looking at our packaging to make sure it minimizes our carbon footprint. In fact, we are committed to being carbon neutral by 2025, with less than 20% of our global operational waste sent to landfills and incinerators. And 50% of our sites will send zero waste to landfills in the next few years. Together, we plan on doing so much more. Our Animal Health Global Sustainability Task Force will help us become a leader in the industry. Fortify Our Future is an initiative that will make sure our business is future ready. Our Global Environmental Center of Excellence is focused on positioning Merck for long-term success in a resource-constrained world. Creating change has a ripple effect. Not much ever starts big. It starts small and grows. At Merck Animal Health, sustainability starts with you. Each of us doing our part for the environment, for the company, and for each other, unconditionally. We vow to keep it going, to keep finding ways to make a difference. And together we can make sure this world remains sustainable for people and animals for years to come. Let's do our part to protect what we love, unconditionally.